Nomrefi, Yabai and Sem Awa too. Former Member of Parliament, Subin Constituency, aspiring General Secretary NPP, Honorable EUGENE BOAKYE ANTWI. Ewa Homanu Sumaye and Intuition Como. Senior, good morning.
Me, Nana, what you say?
Yamia Dum Nanswe. Great.
Maybe I said, I'm more body. Make sure when Bernard new crew in a tearful in a attitude to be special for Mutia Santa Mem, what you for? And a penetra coin some and Yako. My Santa May and Yako, Yawana Yamayaduma, and Barbasum, a Babitai, a young forty, and you for near him for chi or Maysia.
Oh, okay. That is nice. But before the con, my main surprise were Unia Penny, Honorable Yao, Dr. Educhumuha, Dr. Yao, Educhumuha.
I don't think, I don't think, Busia. Now, go for refugees. The party, I think for the one for said Dr. Busia, no, yes,
okay.
We do soon, no, yes, and I'm going to say, you know, do yes,
As I sent for Moya Muhubi Power MPP name.
I send me, I don't think Busia, be by yes.
It is
I could do for. As I take quantity, as I take Kusa, you need Tafano.
Oh, okay, I see.
I don't take for the Puku, I don't think.
Let's money's wash it.
Yeah, I could do it.
Ah, okay. But send this a shake a crowd.
I don't mean I could do it, two different things.
As when you soon yes, Impuni.
Ah, major amount.
Last weekend, Honsen be but Saturday, I was here for Negana for you. First one, your quick comment on Yinyanuma, ye Jaumo, crack, the course. Any addition, Benny Bitmania frame.
Any time, make it for you know, make sure before Ghana for Asante Mine or Moiti programming in our swimming for me, now my dad was then I saw mommy acquiring no place, me swimming for one of the quine and a place as well to San Combe. I think it's a very bold and necessary step. Political party be a Amanuku be a Sebusia, a Busia be on top of. And so you're going to call it Kabuba. The reconciliation is the only way forward. Amnesty, the weakness, wisdom. And wisdom tells us, yet we will need 2028 with a divided house. Which I say, my can be brave. As in the last media program, we call peace. We can't answer me. The Constitution, no, actually said, we have 100. 50% plus one to win any election in this country. And you know, parties in the show will be anywhere or more than 44% as the core base. If you are going to work on the 6-7%, you know, what I say to come and augment more base, you know, to win an election. And you know, base, you know, and I'm free more a good year. What I say, the time the other intact, would you consolidate the base, you know, and some of which may move further afield to go and get the so-called floating voters. No, I'm the county, you know, I'm on couldn't be about. The idea party, the Abano, if you say, at the Cassia, I see in Abo party also. Now, me and confuse unity so with lawlessness. Unity without discipline, so a chaos. The amnesty ever made a clean slate. The moving forward now, discipline must be applied with fairness and due process. Discipline in the NPP, you know, must never be weaponized. Not against opponents, not for allies. Not against opponents, not for allies. The law we must always seem to be fair. Open NPP, the constitution more. Article like WAPA, a grievance procedure that deals with discipline. Okay, as I can say, for discipline, and we need a disciplined party to wrestle power from the NDC. Until maybe agree, NPP need in fact one. At this stage in in the process, no, and a party this is a case we have. But there's a healing leadership. You can't build by punishing and protecting others. You know, say the 12 years, and then Comodie, Cosono, Cassetri, Africa, and go for a change and go for a pep party and almost didn't know where I them about Amanusim. But they found the aircraft. They papa and the aircraft. The pana of opinion to the baby, the pana of opinion 2 minutes. The giant ship. Man, you know, baby, never for us and the other. Now, what hope is the oil? We got the house oil here. Now, they said, the year number, which you said, in Kay, a nunki, and I am the actual Yameboa. Number 10 party be a nomination. To have the party general to make sure, say, everyone, no one is treated unfairly. No one is above the rules and no one is beneath the rules. We must apply the laws very firmly. Because a lot of parts in the constitution go on. You find the Emma Womwa, Enya Kudru, Enya Pepa, any a farmer, somebody will. Very important. Will be over story. Who said a man Juma. No be sorry, I could draw any of a penny that a pastor of so be anymore support. We cry a common bone a mile. We almost go around in you know. Unless died the Kotwaban. The one spent the choir about $10 million. What was somebody done as Kemua? You know what I'm talking about. What I say, it's your best friend. Or the own people, the open, you can play my obedience in one, but it will be a nice show. Send me come out regional executives, me come out constituency executives, me come out national executives. Mona who will be bomb on after, I don't matter said the other 2 many. Obi of a bar, or didn't you want to be a most popular? Obi of a bar, 1 TP make on 1 7. I couldn't tell Probaman, only so I didn't tell Probaman. Any of the 2 million manual, which my man a party, and any minor, most popular. And when the master puts any panel, now what travel, and many panel that he can and now also for we are, Mamma blame ya. If you say, Sir, I know my winning, I who be paid. The other banner says, 2 money we pay. I say, a partner of feminine, I beg any problem in this other general. What I say, we all belong to a tradition, not to a camp. But
Honorable, talking about that, because I'm glad so diaba. So far, candidates in Nhyira, Mente say be Honorable Dr. Yadichum, Akasa BBA TLB, Mente say Brian Champon or Yabuama or whoever. 2 Unkofo Amehuomo, Dr. Baumia camp, and a Canada Japan camp. Omune did you muatem. Omuna Omunkro Kebichrubi. And I'm wondering, say, are there penny be anymore because you take Quasi no Casama Canada Japan. Casabasaba Sasa, na miracle non so, Casama Baumia, Casabasaba Sasa. But when him say NPP Mune standard and never hono, Sanyoma way, that's not the standard of NPP. And so why don't you call these 2 out? Instead of just, clamping them as if say umunyina neye. But we know the people who are doing that.
Obitimia, I say, make casano, me person me single me pam be out. It's a mechanic or personal or very personal. What So, as we speak, it's not about who leads the party. It's about the kind of party and the image represent to Ghanaians in 2028. What do I say? Who leads the party will be determined by the delegates. And the delegates, no, they are the lifeblood of our party. Polling station for the work for me. Almost 94% of the electoral college. It's only leaders, my and almost Jumano, so Makui, the Osefata, so me di, Omikra Frank Cano, any of this folk I could see any. But And yet, one more human on Bayan, it's about Ghana for is looking at discipline and the maturity and the leadership after this person is elected, whether we are ready to come back into office. It's a plea, no, a common, I'm going to say, Nipa 9 and Yemen, yes, it is already, no, there are 9 factions, there are 9 camps. But Obiya will say the party is the mother of all these 9 factions or the 9 personalities. And Obiya probably the 2 minimum or the one party, no. That's why I'm saying with emphasis that it's not about who leads the party after 31st January, but it's rather the kind of party, the image of the party, and the leadership we want to present to Ghana for the Ofwe, Omeyi, Obi, Omabuom, one of Omatet, Noma, I the 2 minimum one, Ometimi, the Omei, Akonani, any everything. It will be okay with Tia, Kufi, Ana Yaw, Ana Amano, and no interest, and the party for Abama. Mamba party for Niatin can say, there is 2 minimum one, who be not action. Put that here. Because we want to find a team, not a battlefield.
All right.
What I say? You want to find a team assembled to assist you to go out there and win power. You don't want to come and meet a battlefield. You know, don't work and you're not hungry. Because you need some we don't have the luxury of tearing ourselves apart.
Okay. Honorable Yedasi, now the Ben Abeba for 1-on-1.
Me now.
Me dear, I hire all the anti-matron.
Okay, they now prefer.
This week in me available until when they also.
After you say, Friday, time and I can make my starting.
Friday, Odebra from 8 to Conianchasi.
There was a program to my time, and then I'll stop you in the maybe 1 hour. I mean,
you may do come away, not much.
You're okay. Mate. We take you for you now. Make sure we are
Mate. Honorable EUGENE BOAKYE ANTWI, former member of Parliament, Subin constituency, aspiring General Secretary NPP. They say, war NPP, your train was no. The same mumra na mometwaso. Na